Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your Windows system using Winget and restore plans, beginner guide step by step clearly. To back up your Windows system using Winget, start by opening the command prompt. Press the Windows key, type CMD, and hit enter. In the command prompt, type Winget to confirm that Winget is installed on your system. If you receive a message that it is not recognized, you may need to install the app installer from the Microsoft Store. Next, let's create a backup of your installed applications. Type winget export o backup.json and press enter. This command exports a list of your installed applications to a file named backup.json in your current directory. To verify that the backup file has been created, navigate to the directory by typing dir and pressing enter. You should see the backup.json file listed. Next, let's discuss how to restore your applications using the backup file. To restore your applications later, you will need to run the command winget import backup.json. This command reads the backup.json file and reinstalls all the applications listed in it. Make sure the backup.json file is in your current directory when you run this command. If you plan to backup system settings or other files, consider using Windows Backup or File. To access Windows Backup, type Control Panel in the Start menu and open it. Inside the Control Panel, look for Backup and Restore or File History, depending on the settings you prefer. Select the option that best fits your backup needs and follow the on-screen instructions. Remember to regularly backup your system and important files to ensure data safety. Using Winget simplifies the backup and restoration process for your applications. With these steps, you can efficiently manage your Windows system backups. Now you are ready to backup and restore your Windows applications with ease. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.